Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be exploring the new mosque in the Eminou Quarter of Istanbul, Turkey. It is near the southern end of the Galata Bridge and part of the Egyptian Bazaar complex. It's also known as the Spice Bazaar. I explored the inside of the Egyptian Bazaar in my video on the 30 things I wish I knew before flying down to Istanbul. I will leave a link below in the description. The new mosque, or Yeni Cami in Turkish, is one of the last Grand Ottoman mosques. Construction started in 1597 and it took 66 years to build and complete in 1663 because of the astronomical cost of this grand design. It was built a little over 1,000 years after the Hagia Sophia, which was built in 537. The Sultan had wanted to build this impressive mosque in the heart of this Jewish neighborhood of Istanbul to display the Sultan's authority in the area. But when Sultan Mehmed III died in 1603, his successor had no interest in spending more money to finish it, as the cost to continue with its original construction plans was astronomical. In 1660, this partially built structure was damaged by the Great Fire and started to fall into ruins. To put this fire into perspective, the fire destroyed 280,000 homes and burned for approximately 49 hours. The reason there was so much damage to the city was because most of the houses were made of wood in densely packed neighborhoods. The fire damaged 2/3 of the city and 40,000 people died. After the fire, funds from the Egyptian Eyalet, an Eyalet was an Ottoman province, had been used to finish this mosque within 3 years, as well as building the Egyptian Bazaar, which is the second largest bazaar in Istanbul in size, behind the Grand Bazaar. Also, rents from the stores at the Egyptian Bazaar are used to pay for the upkeep of this grand mosque. It's a really impressive architectural marvel with 66 domes and semi-domes. The main dome measures 36 meters in height and is supported by 4 flanking semi-domes. Most of the domes are in a pyramidal arrangement, but 24 small domes cover the inner side of the colonnaded peristyle of the courtyard. One of the sides of the courtyard is 39 meters. I believe the pyramidal arrangement of the domes has something to do with symbolizing the pyramids of Egypt, just like the naming of the bazaar as the Egyptian Bazaar. And the 66 domes represent the 66 years it took to complete. If you're ever visiting the Egyptian Bazaar, come check out this architectural wonder. It is free to visit. If you enjoyed this trip, please click like and subscribe and leave a comment below on what you thought. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.